Friends, welcome to CAD Design Tutorial. Today make this type of object in CREO parametric. Now first of all open work directory, desktop, okay. Now open part, solid, beginner exercise 1, unmark, okay. Now okay. Now first of all choose top plane, sketch view. Now center rectangle, height 30 and 60. Now okay. Now extrude. Now 30. Okay. Now okay. Now sketch. Select extrude. Okay. Now normal. Now line. Now draw T section 20. Dimension 15. Now draw our line. Now dimension 10 and 8. Now draw one more line to bottom. Okay. Now remove and dimension, go to dimension 8, 7. Now okay. Now 40. Okay. Now simply click OK and dimension 30 and reverse direction. Now see. Okay. Now sketch this plane, sketch view. Now draw a rectangle, 2-point rectangle. Now 30, 20. Okay. Now simply line. Now remove. Now dimension 5, 10, 5, 20. Okay. Okay. Now extrude. Now this extrude is one side. Our need both side. Then click center to distance. Then dimension 30. Okay. Now okay. Now see. Now select sketch view. Now draw center line. Now draw a circle 20 mm, 20. Now click OK. Now simply extrude. Now 5 mm in reverse direction. Now see. Okay. Now mirror. Then choose a plane and OK. Now see Mirror complete. Now couple of round, then give edges, 2 mm dimension. Now complete. Now remove all plane or center lines. Now see. Now go to appearance, remove. Now go to view and give different appearance. Now select appearance and apply. Now application, render, see. Now simply click a render, maximum sample and maximum resolution. Browse in desktop, save, render. Now simply cancel and see final video. Then subscribe channel, like and share.